Today's quality, tomorrow's market. Now, let's look at the Shenwei EV mining dump truck. It can carry 4 tons. We use 200 Ah maintenance-free battery and 7.5 kilowatt motor. The max mileage is 120 km. The front X model is 1041 and the rear X model is 2030. Vehicle dimensions 3.6, 1.4, 1.35. Cargo box dimensions 2.2, 1.4, 0.5. The frame is a strong steel structure that welded with rectangular tube. The suspension is customized with thickened and widened steel plate. Control every procedure well. Make each product well. Save every customer well. Shenwei Mining Truck, a partner you can trust.